Hey Raveis Nation, this is your William Raveis, Maxa Concierge, and I'm thrilled to guide you through some exciting new AI shortcuts now available on the Maxa platform. These cutting edge features are designed to make your experience more intuitive and efficient, helping you streamline your workflow and get the most out of Maxa. Let's dive in and explore these powerful tools that will transform the way you work. On our screen, you can see we have one of our jumbo just listed postcards. But these AI shortcuts are available across all of our designs on the Maxa platform. Let's start with where you can find your AI shortcuts. When looking at your design, the first thing you want to do is click on the text box where the property description is. You should see a light blue outline around the box, and then there will be a small green square in the top right corner. Inside that square are the letters AI. All of these shortcuts can be found by clicking on that AI square. As you can see on the drop-down menu, the shortcuts are as follows: shorten, expand, improve writing, translate, and write with AI. Let's go through each of these shortcuts one by one. The first shortcut you can use is the shorten feature. When looking at the back of this postcard, you can see that the property description is much longer than the space that is available. By clicking on Shorten, Rave AI with Maxa will shorten the text in order to fit in the space between the property stats and your contact information. If the text is still too long, no need to worry. You can click and use the Shorten tool as many times as you would like. Next up is the Expand feature. Sometimes you're starting out with a very short property description, or you may have clicked the Shorten tool one time too many. By clicking Expand, Rave AI will take the text that is there and recreate a longer write-up for you. If the write-up becomes too long, you can always go back and use the Shorten tool again. Our third shortcut is the Improve Writing feature. Let's say you like the write-up you have, but you think it needs a little shaping and you're not sure where to start. When you select the Improve Writing tool, Rave AI will work on adjusting the flow, phrasing, grammar, and more to elevate the text that's in your write-up. As part of the global real estate community, it is always beneficial to be able to connect with clients on a universal level. With our next AI shortcut, connecting with those clients through your print and digital marketing is now even easier. Rave AI through Maxa can now help you translate your text into Spanish, French, Chinese, and Portuguese. We are also working with the team at Maxa and their in house translators to include even more languages, so stay tuned for those updates in the future. Our final shortcut is the Write with AI shortcut. This is a quick and easy tool to open the Write with AI panel located in the toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen. Write with AI is where you can use Rave AI to create a unique write-up for your postcard, brochure, and more. Thank you for tuning in. Keep an eye out for all things Maxa in the Tell All Tuesday, and make sure to check out the Maxa section of Raveis University for more tips, tricks, and support guides.